morning, everyone. I just woke up, so your boy got a little morning voice going on, you know what I mean? A little congested, and it's freezing. Oh my God. It's cold, right, Butters? Tell them how cold it is. Tomorrow, the LS might be gone, so I figured, you know what? Let's just bring you guys along for the little trip. Hey, there we go. Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to a brand new video. I finally have my voice back. It's not that early morning groggy voice. I was on YouTube yesterday and I was looking at like 2000s nostalgic moments and all that good stuff, right? I think we grew up in one of the best times to ever grow up. If you're 90s/early 2000s, baby, what's good? Y'all know what's up. It's so weird how there were like certain things back then that we used to do, but we don't do it now. Who remembers when somebody would call you and for your voicemail, you put a song? We don't even use voicemails anymore. At least I don't. People be texting me and all that. They don't call me. I just remember putting like a Soulja Boy voicemail on my thing, and I thought I was the because of that. Do you remember that? She wasn't a big fan of Soulja Boy. What else was there? Please tell me you guys remember Fooey erasers, the smell scented erasers. Woo! Those were so lit. Let me hit you guys with another one. Y'all remember the poppers? Please tell me you remember the poppers. One of the most simple and easiest toys ever, but they were so fun. All right, last one. The Simpsons Road Rage? Come on, son. That was lit. What a great time to be alive. What a great time to be alive. If you're 90s or early 2000s, baby, drop a comment down below about what your favorite part of growing up in that era was, because I got so many. I just don't want to bore you guys with it, but we're gonna get the day started. I gotta go to my parents' house, pick up the LS, and do a couple things. So let's get it and let's go. Just got home to a few packages, and I just got this Meister watch in right here. This is the Voyager with a nice green hit with the gold. This one's fire. I copped this one off of their Black Friday sale. So if you guys want to check out Meister watches, use this code right here. It'll save you guys some money and it will help your boy out. I'll leave that in the description down below. Here is the Lexus. I put the stock wheels back on. I don't think I showed you guys the stock wheels, but yep, this is it. It's all frosty outside. So today I'm going to be getting a smog check. I'm also going to be cleaning up the interior, getting rid of my personal stuff, vacuuming, doing all that. The cool thing about the Lexus is if you put this on right here, it will defrost the front, obviously. It also defrost the side mirror and this window right here, which I think is pretty cool. Outside, 45 degrees. The very first thing I'm gonna do today is get that smog check. I haven't done anything to this car, but whenever I get a smog check, I get scared, bro. If you don't live in California, you don't know, but it's pretty hard to pass smog out here, and the littlest thing could throw you off. But again, this is a stock car. I shouldn't have any issues. I didn't have any issues before, but I'm always paranoid because I've had a car fail smog, my first car ever, and it was such a pain to get it smogged and registered after that, just because it was in the system and none of the shops wanted to pass it after it was in the system. Pray for me, guys. We need that smog check to sell his vehicle tomorrow. Do you guys see that? Technology. Keep in mind, this is a car that's from 2004 and it had this kind of technology. What cars do that these days? I feel like even new cars, some of them don't even do this. So whatever Lexus was doing, y'all were ahead of your time, baby. Smog check is complete, bro. It's freezing outside, 45 degrees. My fingers are like frozen right now, bro. Out here in California, gas is about $5.30. Damn! For premium. Comment down below what it is where you guys are. Little under 100 bucks. Quick intermission. Your boy needs a haircut. It's getting a little musty, so I'll catch you guys in a bit. Bam! Oh my goodness, crispy cuts. The feeling of a new and fresh haircut is indescribable. I feel like a new pickle, man. It's the homie Wet Media's birthday today, so David and I decided to hook him up with this set of Legos right here. I didn't know Legos could get this pricey. Like, these are the fancy Legos. Happy birthday, Raf Cat. This is the guy that does all the cinematography, all the car stuff. This is the homie. So hopefully he likes this. I just got home. Now I gotta clean up the LS for tomorrow. If you guys wanna make your car look brand new, all you gotta do is get some of this tire gel or tire shine. I use McGuire's, and I also use this little pad right here. That's all you do. Get a little bit of gel, and then you're just gonna rub it on here. And trust me guys, this goes a long way. Like this will make your car look brand new again. So you just rub it in there. See the difference? That's with the gel, that's without the gel. Dry and musty, nice and fresh. It's like putting lotion on yourself, putting lotion on your skin. So you don't want to dry these out. You want to make them look nice and moist. So I'm gonna do all these. I'm gonna clean up the wheels by hand, and then I still have to wipe down the rest of the car. But I did that door right there. I'll show you guys in a bit. Just cleared out the trunk for him. I vacuumed everything. Tried to get all of my dog's hair out of here, but yo, it's like lodged in. It's hard to vacuum this. I try to get most of it out. But look how big this trunk is. That's one thing I'll miss about this car. It'd be perfect if the seats folded down. That would give so much more space, but fortunately this one doesn't. Here is the air tank. I believe this is a 5-gallon. And then let me show you guys the compressors. All done right here. Shout out to the homie Kwang for the clean install for everything. Everything's nice and tidy. Had no issues with that whatsoever. Yeah, all done with the trunk. Still need to wipe down the car, but it's coming together. Ladies and gentlemen, here we go. Here's the final look of the car. Everything has been wiped down. We put the tire shine on there, cleaned all the wheels. Interior was just detailed by yours truly. So let me give you guys a quick look. Still need to put the floor mats back, so there's gonna be some all-weather floor mats right there. But yes, everything has been wiped down. Everything is super duper clean. Keep in mind that this car is about 17 years old, which is crazy. You could definitely see that we are rocking with great condition seats. So that's really nice. I really wish I could keep this car, but 3 cars is just way too much. Quick little walk around. I'm gonna miss this thing, man. This one was a solid one. This is one that's gonna last forever. And like I said, I really wish I could keep this thing, but there's no point in having 3 cars. Paying insurance for 3 cars is just not the move. Yep, there you go. Here's a look at the airlift system. Nice little cup holders. This is pretty much it, guys. Tomorrow I should be meeting up the buyer, so if all goes well, the car will be sold. I think I've had about 9 cars. If you guys want to see a video of me just doing a compilation or a reaction of all the cars that I've owned, let me know in the comment section down below. I'm pretty happy with the setups that I have right now. The GX470 and the GTR is like the best of both worlds. Good morning, everybody. Today is the following day. Just walking Butters real quick, and then we're gonna meet up the potential buyer. I have a good feeling about today. He's been really good. He's been communicating with me throughout the week. I sent him the videos. He made his deposit. Gotta make sure I take her out, and then we'll meet up the potential buyer. Oh, it is freezing. Let me see if you can see my breath. All right, last start. Maybe, potentially. Last air up, potentially. Without you, my friend, and I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. We've come a long way. Oh, I feel like it was just yesterday, you know what I mean? Like, I remember buying this car, finding it for such a good deal in San Diego or SoCal. I don't even remember where that city was, but oh, I love this car. I absolutely freaking love this car, man. My original goal was to keep this and pass it along to my future child, but can't make babies with yourself, right? So that ain't happening anytime soon. But yeah, I gotta meet this guy in about 10 minutes. He's actually a subscriber, so it's cool that if it does sell today, it's gonna go to a subscriber. One thing I recommend whenever you guys do some paperwork, make sure you have a nice little clipboard. You look like you're doing like the PE, like tallying the laps and all that. That's cool. I got the Smog sheet. I got insurance for this man. I got the registration, transfer of release of liability, and we also have the bill of sale. and you also need a super cool pen. I just picked the coolest looking pen that was in the thing, and look what it says. Sneakerhead in the Bay LLC. We got our own pen. That's fancy. Let's get the show on the road. Peoples, I'm gonna miss you. I love you, okay? Just know, I will always be your beautiful owner. Quick update, we are depositing the cashier's check right now. So the deal's going down. And just like that, the car is sold, bro. What the hell? Dude, this doesn't feel real. Bro, I don't know what it was about that car. Like I haven't felt like this, really. Like I sold the Tesla and it was like, it was whatever, right? But something about selling this one, it just hits a little bit different. I really, really, really like that car. I love that car actually. And I had it for not even that long. I think maybe 2 years, a little over 2 years. But I think I honestly drove that car more than any of my other cars. I think I put 20,000 miles on that vehicle, just about, which is insane for me. I don't really drive that much. So 20,000 miles on that car, we've been through a lot. And oh my God, there's a car meet today? Nobody told me there's a car meet. Look, full car meet. I saw all those GTRs earlier at the bank. What is lit? Look at that Rari. That's so clean. Oh my God. Look at all the people. Bruh. Oh my God. What is going on? All right, anyways, y'all, I gotta get the GTR, pick up Mr. David Got Kicks. Maybe I'll continue the vlog, or maybe it'll be a new vlog. You know what? I'm gonna end this vlog right here and start a new one. But I just wanted to say, huge shout out again to Louis and all of my subscribers. You guys really make the selling car process so much easier for me. I've had friends, I've had family that, you know, it takes forever for them to sell cars. Like they'll post it up on literally everything and it just sits. But whenever I make a post on a car, it sells very quick. So I want to thank you guys for that. I'm extremely blessed to have that, you know, opportunity to reach so many people and have you guys support me like that. So thank you guys so much. Again, I feel a little sad on this one, and I try to not be materialistic. I really try to not have emotion tied to certain objects, but for some reason this Lexus, I really, really liked it. But you know, I'll get over it. I'll probably be over it in the next like 5 minutes anyways, but I just wanted to document this for you guys and let y'all know the Lexus is sold.
Blueberry, Burberry, button-up, tan skin, mixed race, buttercup, Canada weather, got a bundle up. I'm tryna work, she hit my phone, she wanna, whoa, too bad was you know they